Pool pump times primarily depend on the size of your pool, the pump flow rate, the amount of debris in the pool, and the use or non-use of solar panels. Every pool is different, and ultimately, it's up to the owner to figure this out on their own. There are several objectives for pump runtime. First, add chlorine to the pool to reach free chlorine targets. This can take up to 30 minutes for TFPC pool owners, and more for saltwater generator owners. Second, pump runtime is necessary to remove debris. Pools with a large amount of trees or sand may find an increased pump runtime is needed. Our recommendation is to run the pump for 4 to 8 hours, depending on if your pump can run at lower speeds. This can be adjusted if the pool isn't as clean as you'd like. One key item to remember is that running the pump longer will not prevent algae. Proper chlorination will do that. For more assistance, please visit us at www.troublefreepool.com.